Him get cease and desist.
Yeah.
My love.
Him get cease and desist.
Yeah. Yeah, Yanique served. They served the baby
them
girl.
people.
Everybody, all of them get served.
Yes, it was fire, Miss Jacob. You know, somebody tag you. Yeah, him get a season. This
She's just not playing with them.
You want hear them a promote the, you want hear them a promote.
Hi, how you guys doing? Big up on a nice, clean, stay good self. Big up on a nice, clean bestie. Hi, zesty. Big up on a nice, stay good self, my love.
You are not.
You guys know this? Do you guys know this? Do you guys know this? Uno to mix up. Uno know.
Auntie, we did it! We did it! Auntie, we did it! We did it! Yeah, we did it! Auntie, we did it! Auntie, we did it! Yes! Auntie, we did it!
Yes!
We did it!
You know,
We did it! Auntie, we did it!
We're drink! We're drink! TikTok Live!
Auntie, you're trying to get off a wheel.
Auntie, you stand out. Tell me, say you never done me.
You say we see everybody,
Go on your
Auntie.
yard. Go on your yard, too sweet. Oh.
Me say when me see your knees run out first and then me see your two never them come, me say watch your auntie family's out.
Auntie, we go out with the selfie now. Auntie, you're not proud of yourself.
Female power. Female power.
Right true.
Female power.
Right true.
Auntie, the support was amazing.
Oh my God, TikTok Liar, I felt so good. But first, before going to anything, TikTok Liar, I want to thank all. Watch ya? Where TikTok Liar gone? No man, TikTok Liar gone leave me. Oh, TikTok Liar bad mind me say into the hype. Oh Jesus, TikTok Liar, see you. Yeah, you gotta have something. Oh, them report alive. Worlddawg, them come out strong though. Worlddawg, them come out real strong. Honestly. Oh, one of the things say champagne this. No, it smells good though. A cologne. TikTok Liar restricted. Bad man is really active. I will me tell you upon the app say I saw them stay on the app and don't believe me. God bless all you guys. Thank you guys. God bless you for really rush out and support Yanique. Thank you guys so very much. Simply Bliss, I see you and Too Cute and Moi and the others over there. As soon, as soon real bad. Oh my God, thank you guys so very much. Me see Yanique over there. Yanique said, guys, you are going to make me cry. Me feel really good. Really good. Me say, yeah, so me sit with nurse. I chat with nurse. You know, and nurse say, 30,000 people over there. Me say, what? The live start? I never remember a thing. Come here, wait. Me say, wait for 9 o'clock. And now check the time. Oh my God, thank you guys so very much for really making it Yanique. Every minute me see Yanique I turn so. And I look, Worlddawg I watch. Liar call me. You boy should hang up on me. Why liar hang up on me? Oh my God, thank you guys so very much. This is how we do it. When we talk about female power, this is what we're talking about. This is what we're talking about. Female power. This is when you big up the female them, Tammy. Me say everybody will rush out. Everybody. This earth whole heap of people. Not just Worlddawg. Whole heap of people. Thank you very much, Cam. This earth whole heap of people, my baby. Thank you. Me say me happy. You don't believe me? My happy can down for Yanique. When me see Yanique I'll reach 1 million. My have to scream. Me nah lie, nurse can't stomach me. Me have to scream. This is all females pull together. I saw if we pull together as women. This is all female pull together. I saw if we do it. And that is enough people never want because them not like when you talk. So now she can walk go anywhere with her head L.I. Because this a rank a whole heap of people. Whole heap of people. But now watch them, Yanique. We will watch them for you. Just keep shh. Now address them. We will for you. Oh my God. Them have some of my people and my students them over here now. Some of you say, oh no wicked and bad. Oh no could tell me say so now go all out. Make my eye put up more. No one call or text me. I feel bad how the match nearly missed me.
Listen to me. Listen to me. What day was my best friend birthday, Martin. I tell Martin, but Martin, I don't know if you work the machine and you know better. Patakoske say them black. But you over here, my auntie or I call you over there so if you come crossing at the Sisterhood lane.
I can't come afraid.
Are you afraid of? You just send out your nieces and your nephews so we wait for the auntie if you come behind.
No, I'm afraid too cute to
No,
see
man,
you
we just
afraid,
talk about it. Not a thing now going on. But auntie, listen to me. You know me, rate you 100%. Me love you to the ground, gone down. Mad respect. And you know a girl like me, we're a good girl, we not go certain places. But when we see you pull up in a place, we know say, hey, respect on a whole different level.
Oh my God.
When I saw you walking and I see Keith, I'm like, who is that Keith? I could have a good prison auntie that. But I said, yam up that. And then when I see you send out your niece and then you send out your two nephews, Stop Mr. Auntie, you go on.
Embarrassing.
Me not embarrass you.
Oh my God, listen, my feel so sweet.
Exactly. Listen, you're lucky. I cried. Me tell you something, I get goosebump. I get goosebump. Me like that.
Guys, don't love me now. You know, so don't love me over here. Oh my God.
Them said to Yanique, so where's your ring light? You know what me do with ring light? You can't see me.
I told she don't understand.
Liar need to be add. She said nurse must make nurse add her upon it. Remember, I'm not a TikToker, you know. I work in the HR department. I sign the checks. I don't. Just I tell you, because I'm that girl. I am that girl.
You not even pass your exams.
I don't need to pass them. Them in a book. I put them one side.
Oh, your mouth too bad. I mean, don't like that. I don't like it. Straight to the principal's office. Winsome! Sister Winnie!
Sister Winnie, I could teach her a few things or two.
Too cute. You know your own nurse.
I get I get spanked a lot. And I don't
like the sound of spanking, you know, because that always reminds me of something. Even behind the grill, I'm getting it.
It's discipline action, you know?
Oh,
like behind the grill. Yeah, discipline action. Yes.
No! Oh my God. Me not like tonight just feel like it's a woman's celebration.
Oh, and nurse are people. Nurse, why you peeping? You want to see? Hi, nurse.
Didn't ask me for help him out with some
Add lawyer. Lawyer wanted to be add because she said she wasn't seeing you. Because hello, okay. So let me ask you a question. So we for follow you where you go. You're not planning for follow we none of way back. Yeah, man, open your mouth.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, come. Yeah. Me and lawyer be the first two follower. Martin can wait till after everybody else.
I like to
because we can't find you. Them have to type in your name.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I hide.
No, you're not hide.
Look for
and
TikTok.
then add lawyer. Yeah, TikTok lawyer. Back up our TikTok lawyer.
Yeah. Oh my God. She have to go search for this now, you know.
Hey, auntie, one time, I tell Martin, say, one time I remember me hear you say, one woman did come to your pan. When you used to do the YouTube, the woman right here and tell you say, she go, Obeah man go buy tie and tie the man and the man that kill her with lick. You turn to her and say, then lady, you go buy a tie, you didn't get no pull. Yo, I never forgot it.
Me know a woman in Franklin Town, a tire man and him beat out to Frazzle.
Yes, so you said, then lady, you go buy a tie, you never buy no pull.
We have to look for TikTok like we can't find her. Oh, you find her now?
And our night vision supposed to work in the car, she see better at night, she say.
Huh?
Huh?
That means you live a lie, she tell.
You don't find her?
No.
Can't find her.
Alright, let me jump down and go over there because I don't understand.
Yeah, please.
Alright. They said
Well,
TikTok, somebody said TikTok lawyer back up.
Yeah, but we not see it. We'll scroll. Them say too cute, too sweet, funny. So funny for true.
Them say anybody laugh, lay down. So sit up.
I mean that.
Yeah, so that's why I say sit up.
Let me assume my position from now.
That is not it. You have to arch your back. Put your back
Then
in
you
it.
take my back now, arch.
Me see it. Especially when time the firework I bust last night. Me see your arch. The gun, just the smell you miss. You hear the sound, but you miss the smell.
So you did think I lie me I tell when I say I pay a gun out me take?
No lie. Me know that. I have a gunshot marking on my leg, so I know. Yes,
Oh, yeah.
good like that.
No,
Him getting a hand. Him getting a hand because him too touches me get my leg, cause you know so something good. Don't enough for a liar yet.
No. Liar laughed, man. Liar was just here. So all liar no know for find me.
Lie over there, they would laugh. Sure, listen to me. Me don't know how.
We find your auntie, but we cannot add you.
Yeah, here from my phone. She said we can find, but we can't add you. She said.
Auntie, we find you, but we can't add you. We cannot add you. You have to.
Make request on everything on, so wanna just get me and I mean like it up.
Alright, let me jump up. Let me come down then. Are your requests is on?
Yes.
Your page funny just like you.
You say your page funny just.
You know what I'm liar with me.
Liar, may I go, Chibi, auntie, may I come down and then make liar find you again?
Yeah, my baby.
Alright.
And thanks here for supporting Yanique. Thank you so much.
Definitely. It's a sister world.
Yes, thank you guys so very much, my baby.
Yeah, liar have crowd over there.
Lie.
She have Zuma, hey, Zuma the Ozempic.
Come here. It's either Zuma the pan or Ozempic or in bed make it a nibble. Kind of slowly.
Well, she come back now. May I head down? She free up.
Yeah.
Yeah, auntie.
Yes, TikTok liar want my baby.
Oh my God, auntie, it was so phenomenal, auntie. With like, damn. I am overwhelmed.
A whole Worlddawg gonna do this.
Well, she take her side privately, you know, she always, and she take Yanique's side. She said but I guess she never tell Worlddawg, but now we know.
Oh, that's
because
nice.
she don't handle the little girl, you know, the little baby girl, she don't handle her over there, the little baby girl.
No, because it hurt when I tell me she come out by Yanique and I said, no, Miss Triple, please. No, because Yanique not deserve this, man.
Oh my God, trust me, I had a teary-eyed moment. So me see the people everywhere. Mother, auntie, guess who come? Spontaneity.
Alive, spontaneity come?
Yes!
That's my baby.
I was surprised when I saw her
Yes,
came in.
spontaneity. You know how long me say spontaneity?
Spontaneity, I'm a baby, you know? Oh
Yeah,
my God.
she and the Thunder Falcon, the Thunder Falcon come, man. She come with a ratty Thunder Falcon.
Me say, the gifts them nice, see, man.
Yep, and Summer B, big up Summer B. Long time I say Summer B to probably last year from 6TV birthday. Them come out fair, man. Them come out, the woman
Yeah, man,
them come out.
Goosebump took my whole body up.
What you mean too cute? What you mean?
Yeah, man, it was so emotional.
Auntie, we have to say about Jaden. Say something nice. Say something nice.
He's my man. He's my man. No matter what we have,
So you
he's
can
my
unblock him now?
No. Yeah, discipline a boy.
So when eat boss reach home, you know, say I have to go unblock him.
Yeah.
I think deserve an unblock. He deserve
Yeah,
an
man,
unblock.
unblock him. Him do good.
I'll unblock him when I get back home.
Okay, auntie. Okay.
Okay.
Me I punish Jay, that's what
I
I do,
wonder,
man.
lawyer, I wonder if I him at 25.
No. Good one, auntie.
No, Jaden, I'm telling you something. Jaden, I'm a man, you know. No miss it, you know. Jaden is my
Just a
boo.
say, remember say him gonna war like the lady husband, you know. So we just a say, we don't know. We don't want to see that this is somebody that call the name.
A long time bring a husband there in the Middle East like him a sweep up bombshells. Long time.
Him get permanent residency.
Me I tell you, I'm about she a cook because her husband a come home and now no we can't hear the door go like me ear baby. Nothing at all.
I wanna see if the man hide behind the screen with the bunch of flowers or nothing.
Oh my days! Man, go a liar! Liar, then come here now. What you give me ear so you send out your liar and them?
No, we have to borrow one zoo.
Liar, you come out, people are going to eat in a liar. People
You
are
know,
going
say people a liar. I feel like me I gotta take a rest of my app because I feel like people them might get me in that trouble between she and Jaden. So
you get in a trouble. It's not that nobody know you forget in a trouble. You do live.
Me not have to do live.
Live. You with them.
She like take people nuggets.
Oh.
Yep.
Yeah, me ear so you do it. Me ear so you go on bad for Jaden what the
Yes.
so totally full of laugh line.
Listen, until the night there, it's been a while I haven't played that game. I'm really enjoying. When Jaden go, we said, Jaden, you did not say anything to us. You did not speak to us. No, nothing. So when him lose the first game by 1,000, you're a liar. Uno, please, the people that in the chat, here right now, help, uno type help in the chat. You want to see me a type help too. And then somebody said, too cute. If you go over them, go over them. I said, I'm not gonna know where I'm drinking my tea. When I see him lose.
And guess who said that? Her name start with J. Rosalie sent her over by you and me, so she should stay over here. Jordy.
And him start.
Jordy.
Yeah.
Yes, you Rosalie one time gift her.
Yeah, she run her herself. She must go by Shebada and lawyer. And she run. And she never.
No man,
And me say when we go over there.
Watch me.
She said, are you Jordy? Stay over Shebada and lawyer. Don't come back over here. So she did tell her.
And that me tell him some nah shoot no more game cause you soon here. So she not like me. So me say, you know what? Because me give her 6 on the night there and the other day Jada play one game and they want one more game for win. I will clean her up the 6. So she don't win. Me say, you know what? We're gonna leave it.
She soon say a man alone you shoot for.
Yeah, guess who is a bear show cocky partner over here.
But auntie,
All of us, we just throw Yanique on. We
But me not
just
show
dash
my one.
Yanique
One time
on.
I show my partner,
oh
then
my
my
God,
partner
auntie.
have to close by.
auntie, one person over here
Yeah.
named Congress boss, me have to beg for them. They say she be moderator block me. Might as well be delete TikTok. Oh God, auntie, me have to beg for
Oh
them.
God, yeah,
The
I
person
think I
said
saw
might
it
as well be
earlier.
delete TikTok.
Yeah, Congress. Oh, I saw it earlier.
Yeah, the
I beg
person.
Martin unblock them.
Please, the person said might as well be delete TikTok.
You know?
No
Yeah,
man,
big
I want
Martin
that one.
unblock
Said the
them. They just
person
are
said
big
might as
Martin.
well me delete TikTok.
October, you know me from Brenda. Brenda and my daughter, my love. And Brenda and my daughter.
You don't make it go on so.
Them
Bad
give me
enough
that
to she bad
down.
or not bad.
Eh?
Too cute. Talk to Martin for unblock Congress now.
No man, me and Martin talk other business. We wanna talk TikTok.
Dear they.
You know Martin say now unblock Congress.
Well, me not have no
Why?
control over that.
Marty, we are beg for
You know
Congress,
not push
man.
me.
I know we just really
Unblock
what.
Congress.
You see, that's why I'm gonna read comment.
We are beg for
Oh,
Congress,
them say I did it. I own him did it.
Who name so? Who name
No
so?
name, no,
Who
sir.
name so, guys?
Worlddawg.
Lord have mercy.
Who name did it?
Them are
Then
going
come
to
in too cute. Why you need to look to the side, so liar?
So
Every minute. Worlddawg, I watch her.
Frog did
She afraid
outside.
of frog.
She afraid of
I'm not
frog.
in Florida and I'm afraid of
I
lizard
wonder
and
if a
all those
Worlddawg
frogs.
change over.
She said
Yeah,
one
yeah,
day
she
for
did
them
say-
said it.
She said she
That one
wanted
if I change over. Yes. Me say mighty God, me say liar. Me not tell no lie. It was a beautiful
Yeah,
game
yeah.
tonight.
And my
A
best
long
match me
time
ever
me not
watch
see
on
game so
TikTok.
on it.
Yeah. Yeah, true. And woman
Hey,
turn up.
and,
Ever that
Woman.
me want to say.
Yeah,
Ever.
woman turn up.
Yeah,
hey,
God
then
no.
Naya. Then after
The female
she
them
go
come
play.
out. Thank you guys.
They
Them
did come
listen.
out.
So the interviewer will go tonight.
You know, see the man get him cease and desist. Him can't see no interview.
No, him can talk about other things. Him not have to put the name.
They don't want to hear about other things.
Oh.
They know that they want to hear about what about
You get cease and desist.
Yeah,
Yes, my love.
You get cease and desist.
yeah. Yeah, Yanique served. They served the baby
Serve them
girl.
people.
Everybody, all of them get served.
Yes, it was fire, Miss Jacob. You know, somebody tag you. Yeah, him get a season. This
She's just not playing with them.
You want them to promote the event over there. You ever look at that free promotion?
Because them know say he cannot do the interview, so they want to come out like say them they like the event from day one.
That little girl will keep on a post it. Me say she post it on our page. I think she need to sit down. She need to stop.
Which little girl is that?
That
The little
girl.
baby girl with the breast milk around her mouth.
Oh, the little girl with the adult womb?
Yeah. The
All
baby.
that
She needs.
The little girl who walk around
Oh
with baby
my
oil.
God.
I rub down his
Auntie,
bottom.
I'm
Well,
sorry.
not
You
in the
must
life,
pour the
just
happy
African
corner though.
for
Them
now.
come out. Them come out. Happy corner really come out. Them come out. Me see all of them.
What?
Everybody. Them
You
come
know
out,
me
man.
like? This is what me like. You see when we ask the people them liar for support another
They do.
female?
They do.
They did.
Dude, yeah. Trust
Yes.
me. And outdo
They
themselves.
really did. You
True,
know?
auntie. True, auntie.
Your
And
sister
outdo
Auntie.
themselves. I really enjoyed this, honestly.
It was fun. And your sister we not only it was fun. And your sister we not only buy cock over here, we buy front too. I'm just saying. And you know when we shoot down the place and make somebody happy, them say I look where I look them. So and
So
Yannique,
cute. You know, so I never know, so I saw you stay.
Yeah, auntie. You know what that's she's there? Too.
remember say me and Martin
God no lie, I never know, so I saw you.
remember say me and Martin a friend, you know.
Me never know, so I saw you go on.
Yeah, so
Martin
she
a
go
good
on.
friend.
That's how she go on. Give her 2 glasses of wine and one spliff and she carry on bad.
Well, me get the spliff already.
Give her 1 glass of wine now, she go
Me
on
not
bad.
can Me not can par.
No,
Too
but
cute, too sweet. We have to link up. We have to link up and drink
You're
something.
there in my second new place, Atlanta. I love down there. I always tell myself every time I move from New York, I go to Atlanta.
Then in New York, you there?
Yeah. And I ask you what the other day, I asked Martin, I said, Martin, she be not come to New York.
You know, so true, me not really like New York like that.
Auntie, you don't love New
Me
York
really
when
like-
Cynthia love New York.
No, liar, understand this. You see, true, me do my time in New York with players.
Oh, you know,
I
like
can't
you
go
know,
there
no.
to visit.
Oh,
can't go
I understand. A
vacation.
business. New York is business for you.
Yeah, New
Oh, I
York is
understand.
business for me, baby.
Okay, I understand.
Well, Auntie, then come be my business now.
Man, you know, man, you lost out from a
When
goodness, you
Bob
know.
there, when Bob there come, I like Bob, you know, Bob have got.
Bob cannot come out tonight.
Mr. Liar, Mr. Bob won with himself last night. Look, I must me take off my panty. Mr. Bob won with himself.
You know, see me I come out for the live. I love you guys so very
Auntie sit tight. Like you always
no,
say when
no,
you're
no.
in the live, you don't say be good, you say so good.
Then auntie need to be cut down on the eating in the car. I see you last night and you curve out bad.
Ma?
Yes,
Well, I
you
am-
eat too much. You eat too much. But you're going to the right
Don't tell me
places.
that. Me take off more weight. Don't tell me that. Me take off more weight.
No, but auntie going to the right place though. You look, me say when auntie get up off of the chair, me say watch that.
And liar, that means me gonna get whole heap of boys.
Yes, holy boys. You got me boys in the hood.
Yeah, there.
Yes, auntie. You're gonna get holy problem for 25.
Spontaneity.
Spontaneity reach over there.
Oh my God! Thank you, spontaneity.
Yeah, we see her for.
Yeah, I have. When we see her come to me, say, "Oh my
Yeah,
God,
when
I
I
haven't
saw
seen
the name pop
Spontaneity
up,
in
I
a
was
long
like, I
time
haven't
for
seen this
real."
person in a
She
while.
send out the Thunder Falcon, auntie. She send out the
No,
Thunder
that's my
Falcon.
One
baby.
eagle eye,
One needle
Oh my
eye, yeah, needle
right?
eye. Guys, y'all
Spontaneity,
outdid
thank
yourself.
you. Oh my God, but I'm me play match tonight, spontaneity. Yanique.
Guys,
Spontaneity, thank you so very much.
yeah, she was there,
Oh
auntie.
my days.
Starboy
Man.
was there, and Summer
So you
B.
know every woman has spread it the whole night.
Night,
Everywhere.
yeah.
But see, I see a lot of people promoting it. A lot
A
of
lot
people.
of people, yeah. And I know what I like to you see the screen recording pages to big up on yourself.
Yeah, for real. We
Big up
love
on
that. When you
yourself.
put
You
it
know,
out there.
really promote this
I
thing.
think I wonder if I don't want to be nice to me. I think I should have a birthday one. I'm gonna travel and do a seductive birthday night in my lingerie.
Yeah, you should.
I think I
Look for auntie
When?
face.
Your birthday.
next year. I get the body to Auntie Shibi, you know, say I'm 47. I'm gonna have a chick or a child. I have to
Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club.
Then that may I tell you, I'ma still have all heap of juice, you know what I mean?
Here you know.
I
You drink a
remember
glass of wine?
mix with Indian. No, I had a little bit of Hennessy,
White liver.
Hennessy on the rocks. What you say, Shibi? Auntie?
I'm having anything too, darling. I'm having
Auntie,
anything too, so
you drink
you
Hennessy
still have a
like
lot of juice.
water. You drink Hennessy like water. How you do it, auntie? You not really actually you drink Hennessy like it's water.
No, what I'm drinking is the Jack Daniel Tennessee honey apple flavor on just the rocks. Straight as it is. Because it's a little bit sweet, so you use the ice to kind of melt it down, but it hits the right spot. It's a creeper. It's Jack Daniel. It's a whiskey.
That sounds like
Jack Daniel.
It's a whiskey, but it's really good. It's slightly sweet, but it's good. But there's this wine that you could try. It's called Textbook. If you're a lover of a little bit of a sweet wine, Textbook is really good.
Now, I love sweet wine.
You would love
I can't
Textbook.
take dry wine.
But auntie, you should try the Jack Daniels though. Try the Jack Daniels.
Yeah, the Jack Daniels. No. It's I can't even open it for show you. But I have like the blackberry flavor and I have the apple.
Yeah, they have different flavors.
Good.
Try it,
They have
auntie.
different flavor. It's so good.
Yeah, different
Yes.
flavors. Try it. Everybody
Yeah,
always
Jack
say
Daniel is nice. When you take a shot of it, it warm. It go down like rum, you know, but it more warmer and calmer going down. But if you want to just sit and chill with it and you blow your little thing, you have it on a few little rocks of ice. So just to kind of dilute the sweetness a little bit if you wanted to. Yeah,
They have
the
different
blackberry.
flavors. You
I
should
haven't
try it.
tried the blackberry yet, but I always love the apple.
I always hear people say it's really good. The different flavors.
It's
But
good. Jack
yeah.
Daniel, it's really good. If you were here, I'd get you a bottle to bring home. But you may not know what make you itch up down.
Tell us me I go home. Who are you all home argument?
Remember, say the fridge miss you.
Then auntie, you are come a find from them I call visa multiple entries and you I don't know you decide to stay.
Right?
You are come a find from them I say multiple entries. I saw them used to say multiple entry. I don't know you decide to stay.
Me now go sit down for my program and make you and too cute to rub me up.
No, we're not.
Auntie, you come and find from people that walk with 2 and 3 passport and I don't know you decide to stay. You remember to walk with 2 and 3. The big blue book. I have to stay for 2 together. I have to stay for 2 together. I don't know you decide to stay.
Yes, while we have in gallery. Don't you run upstairs quick and fast. No wheel. Yeah.
Auntie, that's why you careless, auntie. Multiple
Big
indefinite. Yes, multiple indefinite. And I know auntie decide to stay when Trump walk and look for people.
Oh my God.
And
You know something about it.
Him like it because he hears a man a searching man. And that's why Richie Pepper say want to run and go.
Them time them a beg you for stay. No, them a look for you. You want stay.
It's when time I hang up the light, me I go cussing with that buckle here and that chair here and that stool here. Me I go bring on down with them.
You look like
lawyer
implant
from here Jamaica days, right? I hear him. Me want go on the early flight because me want ackee and saltfish and fried dumpling.
You want to get breakfast?
Yes. And then
Yes,
when
oh
the
my
pilot
God.
land, everybody clap.
Clap, yes. I always wonder why.
You,
Yeah, man,
you're
because I bless
safe.
you. You
You
see
blessed
if
with a
you're not safe.
blessing. It's a blessing.
But Auntie say you must stay somewhere. I wonder if all the file fee,
Every
the file
time
it
Auntie
come
say that,
true.
every time when I time in a COVID when Auntie not travel here.
Thing I said about this live, why I'm a gifter on this live. I don't give and expect nothing back in return. When I click live, I don't do none of that. But guess what? God bless me enough and I share my blessing with others.
And though you see a blessing coming right back,
Come back, come back
all a
sixfold many
hundredfold.
times. And then
Thank you.
that's why when you show people up, you're rich. No, it's called blessings.
It's called blessing. It's
Yeah.
not richness, it's blessing. Blessing different from richness. You didn't know that?
Very
Because
much
some
so.
people rich wrongfully, you know. You see, richness, once you have peace, you're very wealthy.
Very well. At the best wealth. That peace of mind is the best
That's
wealth.
why I tell people I don't want to be rich. I want to be comfortable.
Comfortable. I have peace of mind. I have peace of mind.
Yeah, man, and
Nothing beat peace of mind.
me know tonight, Yanique will lay down in her bed and tears are going to run out her eye because she gained a lot of enemy because of her baker.
You know what
Yeah.
happened? And she found her strength tonight. She found her
that
strength.
Nobody knows say Yanique now go make mistake again, you know. You understand me? Yeah, but at least she knows that people out there love you, you know, girl.
You-
and when you
people
take
don't even
some
know you.
people, will gain, exactly. You will gain enemy. Liar, me love you for this, you know. Me love
Yeah.
you for it. Honestly. Understand 10 toes behind Yanique, you know.
Yeah, them two little baby boys.
Short,
there.
and she just said, "Oh, short, it was planned."
Yeah, how short? We just said randomly.
That's why I tell you say sometimes when you're in a certain position, you have to be grateful or else you can pass to remove.
Exactly.
Look at Worlddawg.
And
He was
the
in
money in make over here saying, man.
Ask you.
And he was so boastful.
Listen,
He was too
me I watch him
boastful.
from Facebook days, you know. And when he come up and then he go over favorite. Me used to shoot for him and Swiss, you know.
See it there?
Me
See it
used
there?
to shoot for them.
See it there? See it there? But you see your bad ways, turn off
People, it's true.
True.
Your
He was
bad
too
ways-
boastful and too disrespectful.
Yes, it's true. And females need to pull together more.
For somebody who's asleep in that car, him too disrespectful.
You see one female who now pull together and this up your door.
Me no. Me no.
Not even bulldozer can push it.
No, because you see, that me no respect to. You see, I said this to myself. You are Worlddawg, no friend, but at least you can come out and shoot for him baby mother because woman to woman, you understand
We
me?
all go through that. We can understand. We can relate
True.
to what she's going through.
True.
Even if you've never been
Or
through
you know a
but
friend
you
or
can
somebody who went through it.
Listen to me. When my husband me the married and my husband tell me if you come out, you think me tell no check? Within no time I'm pack up my something and come out. Cause when me and him they catch a fight is a 3rd-degree assault charge. Me pick up and me say, you get so up now foreign. Me damn not ready for go back home yet. So let me just work for me and this is where I am today.
Okay. Okay, you see though. You see females need to pull together more, make these males know say you're not gonna treat your woman when I exchange body fluids like shit in a public. You're never ever going to do that and think say you're still the shit. You're never the shit.
Never. And when your track record proves it. Because you did it before,
Hey,
you know, you did it several
is
years.
a hell of a something over here, no man.
It's true. Thanks be to God for me say me love on for this. You see, man, me love on my heart move.
Hey, when you see you come out, oh, auntie, me not like that.
Trust me, auntie, trust me,
don't.
see your presence, trust me.
It's
Everybody
a lot,
starts saying, auntie, she be a shoe. You know what, see the chat start go crazy.
Yeah.
That's when me come off and come. You know, nobody call me name.
Everybody start type. And then
When me see you come
auntie,
in,
a
me
title
say,
gifts
yes,
off the
watch.
wheel.
She deserves
Hear
it.
them,
She
auntie.
really do.
Hear somebody. Liar, auntie, a title gift of your Rosalie. Hear me, Rosalie. And then it's all the wheel. Yeah, we see you, man. We see you.
Oh my God,
It was amazing.
Talk more here. Come here, go somewhere.
Oh, auntie. I
Auntie,
went
where
in
you
the
going?
love road. Only when they are foreign, you got road in the country, they are Jamaica. All you go is supermarket and go
After
eat
Jamaica, on the
crab.
road for go.
No,
And I see the
man.
road bad.
When you go to Jamaica, you spend too much.
Everybody, me hear auntie say, use my card, auntie. The card don't have no limit. Use my card. Hear me what's the
Liar,
rich auntie.
you not see him with the ribs today and the steak, but oh, look how pink it is. And the A1 sauce. And which one and the other one, them say the best one coming. I really eat steak.
57 tastes good enough.
The
Too
57.
cute.
Mm.
57 tastes good.
I'm not a steak eater. I like sauce.
Yeah, I don't really like steak either. Once in a while. Me say when me auntie say, use my card, hear me. Card has no limit.
No, liar, stop that now.
Liar, it's so like if I have one of the card them when I'm having on my wallet. You ever hear them one when they drop on the ground?
Yeah, the titanium.
Yeah, so like
Yes.
should be have one of them there?
Me say, that's all you hear. Use my card, hear me rich auntie.
The auntie, you have one of them?
No, I'm not too cute. I don't have anything.
But auntie, let me say that card, they don't have no limit. Auntie, can I hear me? Use my card,
Auntie, listen, did it sound like this one? I want to make sure.
Yeah, that's why it sound.
What about that?
It sound like a bad cover note.
That sounds like a Chinese restaurant.
And guess what? It can't dent. The pot cover you can't dent.
Miss Auntie, we are on an international food tour.
No, you know, it's just I'm not different.
Because every day I eat one different cuisine.
And every day there's somewhere different.
Yes. When I tell me auntie say, I pass through Gwinnett every day. Hear me?
Lawyer, when you go to Cold Stone, don't you try different flavors of ice cream?
Yep, you have to.
Okay.
So what you guys talking about now? I'm
just
trying.
asking her because you say you try different things. I'm saying I'm trying to make her understand.
But me like where you live. Me like it, auntie. Me like it because you know the Jamaica. You always just very humble, but you really live out loud.
No, some feel like me easily bored, you know. It's like I'm here now.
Mm-hmm.
You know, me soon bored. Honestly. Me soon bored.
You're an Aquarius like my mom. You're the 14th and my mom is the 13th.